In this lesson, we're going to look at source documentation and how to extract information from it. The first one we're going to look at is a tax invoice from Liberty One Steel to Osmac Welding. The tax invoice number is 61553787. We're going to look at the spreadsheet that we've developed. You can either do this as a spreadsheet or in a notebook. And we're going to start by typing the type of document. This one is a tax invoice. It says it on the source document. And we'll just type tax invoice next to the document type. It asks, what does this type of document prove? We know from our last lesson that an invoice proves the goods or services have been supplied. That will go in that box. We'll then go back to the source document and find the unique number of the tax invoice. For this one, it's up the top next to tax invoice 61553787. The next thing we're looking for is the date that the source document was produced. If we have a look on the One Steel Liberty, the invoice date was the 19th of the 9th, 2017. The next we're going to look at who sold or delivered the products, name and address. Liberty One Steel, Liberty One Steel Metal Center. The address is P.O. Box 7293 Toowoomba, Mail Centre 4350. Who received the product? Name and address. That's who it was shipped to. Osmac Welding Industries, 2123 Carroll Street, Toowoomba, Queensland 4350. What is the purchase order number? So we need to find, often it's just called a PO number. So we need to find that on the document. And in this one, they've used my name and the date it was ordered. 18 of the 9th. All tax invoices are required to have the company's ABN. You need to locate that on the source document. On a One Steel one, it's down the bottom. And the ABN is 50007 519 646. The next thing we need to find from the document is what has actually been sold. That's in the description. So on this document, there's a 12mm plate, 1200 by 3 meters, and they also give a material number. Does the source document state the terms of the sale? Often companies will buy things on credit, and depending on the terms, they can be 7 days, 30 days, many different terms are available. On the One Steel one, it's due 30 days from end of month. The last box says, what other information do you think is important on a source document that a business would need to know? If we look at the One Steel one of the most important things on the source document is the price. We're able to look at this document and straight away realise that the total price, including GST, is $496.96. I think that would be an important part to have in there. What other things are important on the document? If you have a look here, One Steel supply the EFT payment details. This is important as it gives me a place to pay the invoice, and if I'm doing the invoice, it gives someone a chance to pay me. So I think that's important and needs to be in there. So I've just put in the BSB, and the account number, is there anything else that's important that needs to be noted on the docket? Possibly the weight is something else I think we should probably put down. So for steel, we just need to know that in case we need the forklift to lift it off or a crane to be on site. So total weight of invoice, 339 kilograms. That's that document done. So that's source document 61553787. You can now work through the remaining source documents and do the exact same thing for all of them. Thank you.